voice your experiences, your frustrations, your angers, because it is the anger of everyday people that will win this fight.
Yes.
No matter what they try to do, no matter how many rights they strip, we will keep fighting. We will keep speaking. We will fight for our democracy,
Yes.
for our rights.
Yes.
And we demand that they respect the Constitution. 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 Respect
the Constitution.
Obey the Constitution.
Obey the Constitution.
Obey the Constitution.
Obey the Constitution. Obey the Constitution. Obey the Constitution. Obey the Constitution. Obey the Constitution. Obey the Constitution. Obey the Constitution. Obey the Constitution. Obey the Constitution. Obey the Constitution. Woo!
How is your name? My name's fine.
Despite it being 90-something degrees and sunny, we all step up, and I think that shows the sheer dedication of you all. That you will come rain or shine. You will break whatever you must in order to fight for what you believe in. And I don't care what anyone says. That is the single most patriotic thing one can do, is to step up and march for what they believe in.
Hello, my name's Aiden Pratt, and I'm a candidate for Wilson County Commission. First of all, I just want to say, Wilson County does not have ICE presence, and we would like to keep it that way, because I see some DHS agents over there. My friends, today, I rise to speak the name Kilmar Garcia, not just an individual, but as a symbol of so many who have been taken from their families, their communities, their homes, under the shadow of immigration enforcement. That too often forgets that our shared humanity, we must speak plainly. When people are detained without due process, when their families are torn apart without warning, when communities are destabilized by fear, this is not justice. This is not security. These are not values that bind free and democratic societies. Let us be clear. Those held in immigration detention, including Kilmar Garcia, are not criminals. They are not threats. They are hostages of a broken system, caught in a legal limbo that denies them dignity and basic human rights. And we as citizens, as neighbors, must say, our counties, our cities, our communities, we will not stand by as our neighbors are seized in the dead of night by agents acting with impunity. We will not allow our streets to echo with the footsteps of unaccountable forces that resemble more of the tactics of the past, the Gestapo, than any institution that claims to serve liberty and law. We call on every official, every institution, every person with a conscience to stand with us in defending human rights, due process, and the fundamental belief that no one should live in fear for simply being a part of a community. Kilmar deserves freedom. All who are unjustly detained deserve freedom. And we will not rest until our neighbors are freed out and live without fear. Thank you.
No tyrants, no kings. 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 No tyrants, no tyrants, no kings, 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 no tyrants, no kings.
I'd like to quickly remind everyone that we have water over there. The people need water. It's cold, and I would like to thank all of our volunteers and safety team who went out and got several pallets of water to help distribute to people.
Thank you.
So, yes, if you need water, if you're hot, please do not die of dehydration. Do not get heat stroke. We need you in the fight for as long as we can. So,
You were one tough lady.
Well, folks, we're going to fill up some time here while we're waiting for the hearing to start. So, I'd like to take a moment to speak directly to the Hispanic community in the United States. Quisiera tomar un momento para hablar directamente a la comunidad latina en Estados Unidos. Yo recuerdo un verano cuando estaba, cuando era estudiante en la universidad. Yo tenía mi primera casa con unos amigos y era un verano cuando no tenía mucho que hacer. Yo trabajaba un poquito, pero pasaba mucho tiempo en la puerta de mi casita viendo a los trabajadores de construcción enfrente de nosotros haciendo una casa durante todo ese verano, en el sol, todo el día, trabajando duro. Cuando yo no tenía nada que hacer. En ese momento me di cuenta de que no hay nadie en este país que trabaja más duro que nuestros inmigrantes, que merecen más la promesa de Estados Unidos que ellos que han trabajado lo más duro para recibirla. Y yo, después de la universidad, quería aprender el idioma extranjero, no es exactamente extranjero en mi país, el español. Tenemos muchísimas personas hispanohablantes en este país. Son nuestros vecinos, nuestros amigos. Quería hablar mejor con ellos. Por eso, fui a Guatemala para vivir, trabajar. En Guatemala, yo recibí un tratamiento excelente. Me trataron con bondad, con respeto, con dignidad. Yo no tenía yo no tenía ningún problema con existir simplemente en esa sociedad. Y me da tanta vergüenza que mi país trata tan mal, que no respeta la dignidad fundamental de las personas, de los extranjeros en mi país ahora. Es injusto. Y es por eso que estoy aquí ahora. Después de regresar a Estados Unidos, yo trabajé un rato en la industria de construcción, donde tenía muchos compañeros hispanohablantes. Y otra vez yo vi que no hay nadie en este país que trabaja tan duro como ellos. Pasamos largos días en el sol o en el frío para literalmente construir este país. Es simplemente injusto que tratamos a esas personas que contribuyen tanto a nuestra sociedad con tanta indignidad en este momento. Entonces, el mensaje que quisiera pasar a toda la comunidad hispanohablante de Estados Unidos, la comunidad latina, es que yo tengo tanta vergüenza de cómo los estamos tratando en este momento. Estamos aquí para arreglarlo. Y pueden estar seguros de que hay gente en este país, hay americanos que los cubrimos las espaldas. Estamos aquí para ustedes. Siempre adelante.
Señor, todos tú hablar es verdad. Todos, gracias por hablar.
Respect due process. Respect due process. Respect due process. respect due process, 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 respect due process.
Respect due process. Respect due process. Respect due process. Respect due process. Respect due process. Respect due process. Respect due process. Respect due process. Respect due process.
In just very shortly, I believe we are expecting a hearing on Kilmar's conditions for release on Thursday. I want to let those who are from DHS, from the DOJ, from anyone else, that we will keep fighting and we will stand here. They will not be able to do these hearings in the dark. We will stand side by side as people, demanding justice for all, opposing a weaponized DOJ, opposing a Gestapo DHS. We will likely see today, if Kilmar is released, an effort by ICE to seize him and detain him once again. Despite the fact that it was ruled last time to be illegal, despite the fact that the judge themselves said he does not pose a significant danger to his community, nor is he a flight risk. The only risk Kilmar poses to trying to flee the country is if he is forced out of it by ICE. And even if they do decide to grab him and detain him, Secretary Noem, just know we will keep standing here until him, along with the hundreds, if not thousands, of others who were detained illegally without so much as a hearing, are brought back to their homes. Bring them home. 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 Bring them home.
Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home. Bring them home.
Love, not hate. That's what makes America great.
Love, not hate. That's what makes America great. Love, not hate. That's what makes America great. Love, not hate. That's what makes America great. Love, not hate. That's what makes America great. Love, not hate. That's what makes America great. Love, not hate. That's what makes America great. Love, not hate. That's what makes America great. Love, not hate. That's what makes America great. Love, not hate.
divided. The people
United will never be divided. The people united will never be divided. The people united will never be divided. The people united will never be divided. The people united will never be divided. The people united will never be divided. The people united will never be divided. The people united will never be divided.
The people united will never be divided. The people united will never be divided. The people united will never be divided.
The people united
Will never be divided. Make America kind again. 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 Make
America kind again.
All right, I'll let some of our safety teams read this, but I believe we've made the decision to have some people go into the courthouse to observe this hearing and to ensure that the public knows what is going on in there.
Yes.
I'd like to remind anyone in there that we are playing by the judge's rules, we are playing by the federal government's rules, and we ask you to remain peaceful, we ask you to remain respectful, and we ask you to please try to avoid getting a felony by trying to interrupt anything. We are looking for no felonies today.
Our signs are more helpful outside of
That is a good question. I don't believe so, particularly large ones.
Cell phones aren't allowed.
Yes. So cell phones and other recording devices are not permitted. Signs are not permitted. However, I believe we will be able to stash them here at the Decent Supply Hub.
Can you babysit signs for us?
Yeah, we're still talking with. We are still talking with safety team, still sorting out details, but we will get to exact details. However, I do want to let y'all know we have made that decision.
Hello? Oh, there we go. All right. Show me what democracy looks like.
This is what democracy looks like.
Show me what democracy looks like.
This is what democracy looks like.
Whose country?
Our country.
Whose rights?
Our rights.
Whose constitution?
Our Constitution.
Love, not hate. That's what makes America great. Love, not hate. That's what makes America great. Love.
Not hate. That's what makes America great. Love, 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 not hate. That's what makes America great.
Love, not hate. That's what makes America great.
Sweet stuff. You got this. You're doing great. Y'all are all doing great.
Free Kilmar. Free
Kilmar, free. 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 Kilmar.
Okay, who's next? Come on. Woo!
Hello, fellow patriots. Thanks for letting me take just a moment of your time.
We can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
There we go. Can you hear me now? Hello, fellow patriots. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Fantastic. Thank you for letting me take just a moment at a time. I'm just random guy, but I'd like to tell you just a little bit about my story. My 8 grades ago grandfather was an immigrant who fought in the Revolutionary War. My family stayed in America thereafter, and I want to point out in this Declaration of Independence grievances that our forefathers created to the British when they were being oppressed. Grievance number 18 for depriving us in many cases of the benefit of jury trial, and grievance 19 for transporting us beyond seas to be tried for pretend offenses. What is this government doing right now? Our forefathers created this document so that we could create this Constitution of the United States. And our government is violating grievances from the Declaration of Independence and the United States Constitution. We're going to keep showing up. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. For justice, for 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 peace.
Free Kilmar!
Free Kilmar! Free Kilmar! Free Kilmar! Free Kilmar! Free Kilmar!
Free Kilmar! Free Kilmar! Free Kilmar! Free Kilmar! Free Kilmar! Free Kilmar! Woo!
Okay. All right. Thanks everybody for coming out. My name's Ethan. I'm a Nashville resident, and I'm pissed off that we have to be out here again in this damn hot weather to go out and support the legal rights and civil liberties of all residents of the U.S. It's absolutely ludicrous that a man was sent from the U.S. to a concentration camp in El Salvador, a legal resident, for doing nothing other than being a person of foreign descent who is here, again, legally. We have absolutely no reason to be out here, and it is nothing but racism, but xenophobia that keeps people like Kilmar locked up. And it's not just Kilmar. It's the hundreds of other people who have been locked up, who have been sent away because of who they are, because of ridiculous charges that have no basis in fact or in protection or in security. They claim to be trying, looking after the peace in the U.S. and to be looking after our interests. But I don't see our interests protected when militarized police come in and they break up families, when they brutalize innocent people and they hurt the children and the communities that they serve. Again, there is no reason, as the Constitution says, as every single civil liberty and civil right that we as Americans and as everybody who is on American soil, citizen or otherwise, gets and deserves and has the basic right to. We should not be allowing people to be locked up and sent away. And now as we see the Supreme Court saying that we can send people to other countries, I mean, it's insane. It's ridiculous. Yeah. And so as we continue to be out here, I know this is a tough time. I'm so glad that everybody was able to make it out. And it's so important that we continue to show support for Kilmar, for all of the families who have been hurt by this militarized and by this violent regime. It's great to see everybody out here, and I hope that we can all move in to help watch over the proceedings. And yeah, thank you all for coming out.
All right, so we spoke with the team and the general plan here. Inside the courthouse, in addition to the actual courtroom, there's also public overflow in case that courtroom is full. If you want to stay here, this is public property. You have the right to keep protesting. We will have a small team, safety and security team, which can watch things for you, and of course ensure your safety if you do decide to stay out here. Couple major rules: signs, any electronic devices, so phones, watches, etc., are not permitted. I don't think full of food. No food, and I don't think you can bring water into the courtroom either. welcome to leave it with our stuff. If you are comfortable with that, yet again, we will have a few people out here to make sure nothing gets stolen or nothing happens. When we are in there, once again, I want to remind you, they're very strict in there. We are playing by the judge's rules. We are playing by U.S. Marshals rules. So I urge you, please remain peaceful. Please remain respectful. Do not try to interrupt the proceedings. We ask you in any of that because they will, without hesitation, remove you and potentially state you some very serious criminal charges. I don't know if anyone from this team has to speak further.
They may not let you bring your signs in either.
Yes.
In fact, they won't. Anywhere you like here.
So yes,
Lots of folks here.
you're here.
Your belongings.
And what about phones?
No phones, no smartwatches, no electronic devices. Yet again, we have Drew and a couple other safety people over there. If you feel comfortable with that, this will help guard your stuff.
Will they let me take these in?
I,
I mean, they're not official inspections.
I mean, like worst case, they tell you you